Today I am reviewing the Wavytalk Red Light Therapy Mask for Face. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first unbox this mask, the first thing you notice is the build quality. It is made of a very soft, flexible liquid silicone that contours beautifully to the face. If you have ever tried those rigid, hard plastic LED masks, you know how uncomfortable they can be. They pinch your nose, they dig into your cheekbones, and you are basically forced to lie completely flat and motionless for 20 minutes. The Wavytalk mask completely solves that issue. It features adjustable straps and light-sealing eye pads that create a custom, secure fit. I usually start with a slightly looser setting and then adjust it until it feels perfectly snug. Because it is flexible and securely straps to your head, you can easily multitask while wearing it. I have worn it while replying to emails, folding laundry, or just sitting back watching television. The eye pads do an excellent job of blocking out the bright light, so you do not have to worry about harsh glare or eye strain while you go about your session. Now, let us talk about the actual technology and why this mask stands out from the cheaper alternatives you see online. A light therapy mask is only as good as its power and its LEDs, and Wavytalk did not skimp here. This mask is packed with 456 high-purity LED chips, delivering a power density of 40 milliwatts per square centimeter. In plain terms, that means you are getting an incredibly dense, even distribution of light across your entire face. There are no dead zones or patchy areas. It is specifically designed to provide enhanced light delivery to both the T-zone and the U-zone, which is crucial because those are the exact areas where most of us experience stubborn breakouts, excess oil, and fine lines. The mask features a 3-in-1 light therapy layout that targets different depth layers of the skin, going beyond the surface to hit the dermis where real cellular change happens. It has 3 distinct modes that you can cycle through, depending on what your skin needs on any given day. The first mode is the anti-fine line mode, which combines 630 nanometer red light with 850 nanometer near-infrared light. The near-infrared light is invisible to the naked eye, but it penetrates deepest into the skin to stimulate collagen and elastin production. Wavytalk claims a 10.5% reduction in fine lines over 28 days, and while I did not measure it with lab equipment, I can tell you that my skin looks significantly plumper, smoother, and more bounce forwards than it did a month ago. The subtle creases around my eyes and forehead look noticeably softer. The second mode is the anti-acne mode, which utilizes a blend of 415 nanometer blue light and 603 nanometer red light. Blue light is famous for targeting the bacteria that cause breakouts, while the red light helps soothe inflammation and calm redness. This combo is an absolute lifesaver if you suffer from hormonal breakouts or periodic flare-ups. Their data points to up to an 81.5% reduction in breakouts, and in my experience, whenever I felt a painful under-the-skin blemish starting to form, a few consecutive days of using this mode completely flattened it out and stopped it in its tracks before it could turn into a full breakout. It also dramatically speeds up the healing time of existing blemishes. The third mode is the rejuvenation mode, which uses 590 nanometer amber light. This mode is all about brightening dull skin and evening out skin tone. If you struggle with hyperpigmentation, sunspots, or just general winter dullness, this amber light gives your complexion a gorgeous, healthy radiance. After 28 days of switching between these modes, my skin brightness has improved visibly, closely aligning with the 70.4% boost in skin radiance that Wavytalk highlights in their lab data. Operating the device is incredibly straightforward, making it very easy to integrate into a busy lifestyle. The control unit allows you to customize your sessions to 10, 15, or 20 minutes. I highly recommend starting with 10 minutes a few times a week to let your skin adjust, and then building up to 15 or 20 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week for maximum results. The mask is powered by a robust 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, which gives you plenty of sessions on a single charge, so you are not constantly tethered to a wall outlet. It features a safety lock charging system, and it comes with a universal USB-C cable. Just make sure you use a standard 5-volt, 1-amp charging block, which is not included, to preserve the longevity of the battery. If you are looking for a salon-grade, professional LED treatment without paying thousands of dollars at a dermatology clinic, the Wavytalk Glow Time LED Face Mask is an incredible, cost-effective investment in your skin health. It addresses acne, fine lines, and dullness all in one elegant, comfortable, at-home solution. It also makes for an absolutely luxurious self-care gift for birthdays, holidays, or Mother's Day. It gets a glowing, 5-star recommendation from me.